name's Briah Smith. I'm the purchasing manager here in Phoenix, and I've been here about 1.5 years. I've worked for bigger companies and you feel like a number, and the opportunity for growth didn't really seem there anymore. A lot of manufacturing facilities I've seen, it's not much room for change, but it's a little more chaos. Here was a little more structure to the day-to-day. I noticed just the camaraderie, just the joy it seemed like people had coming and leaving work. You don't leave work feeling defeated at the end of the day. It's the culture, the values here, and it really stood out as something that I was looking for in my new role. Since I started at SRC, I've been the quality coordinator and the purchasing manager within the span of about 1.5 years. And that's one thing that stood out about the company, is that everyone kind of had a similar story. I used to hear about, just the receptionist started as a welder and moved up into this position. The braiser started here 5 years ago and worked his way up to this department. Now he's the manager of this department. So everyone had similar stories. Compared to my last job, it's not a stressful job. Just work-life balance, and your ideas are heard. They challenge you and they promote within. It's just an overall good environment to work for. I definitely see myself working here long term. I've never been in a facility or a company where they truly care about the employees, and it shows here. Even just walking through the floor, everyone smiles. My ideas are heard. They are actually implemented. If it doesn't work, we kind of go back to the drawing board and try it again. Everyone in the leadership position welcomed me, open arms. I was able to go visit the other facilities and see their operations, get a little feel for what my job would be, like what it would look like. It's very rewarding and exciting. I'm glad I switched to Super.